All right, welcome, fellow entrepreneur. I was having a little issue with my Shopify store the other day, specifically when it came to my CSV files. Don't know what a CSV file is. They are very useful, and you'll need to get used to them once you have a bunch of customers, a bunch of products, and a bunch of orders. For example, in this test store, if you want a CSV of your products, you can come up here, you can click export, and then you can export your CSV. You can do the same thing for your products. You can do the same thing for your orders, for your customers, or anything you like. But I had a big issue that I hadn't experienced before since I've run multiple Shopify stores in the past and for a long time. And my CSV kind of looked like this. This wasn't what the file was about, but this is what it looked like. You have a bunch of columns, obviously, for your products. In fact, actually, I think my specific problem was with customers. So each column here was like name and address and email and a bunch of stuff, right? All the way down this way. When I downloaded the CSV of hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of customers' information, this is how you easily move, edit and change, import and export large amounts of data at one go. Use these files. So they're extremely handy and use them all the time. But as you can see in this photo, what's happening here is that it is consolidating all the columns' information, and it's not putting them in the correct column. It's putting them and squeezing them all into one column, column A, and it's just overflowing into the next column. If this column was hugging the text, it would not show anything else here at all. So I was like, what the heck is this? I download and import and export CSVs all the time, and I've been doing it for like 10 years. And I've never seen this issue before. And it was frustrating me because it took way too much time, and I needed to do one thing, and I was wasting so much time trying to figure out what was wrong with the CSV. And I just needed to do something else. And if you're watching this video, you run a Shopify store, or you run Shopify stores like I do, and that's the way it goes in e-commerce. You set out to achieve one thing, and then you can't achieve that one thing. You have to achieve maybe 4 little things first, and then cross this all off the list before you can return to your original reason you logged on today. So I was looking for some information, and I found this helpful document. It says CSV files open with data in a single column in Excel. This is exactly what was happening to me. And it gave a few fixes. This one method used the text import wizard, and this second method changed the delimiter settings, and it gave a conclusion. And there were a few other things like this until the simplest fix presented itself. And if we head over to the Shopify Help Center, I'll show you exactly what I mean. So if you're working with CSVs, there's one little line here that will save you so much time like I did. Have you spotted it yet? It's right here. Shopify recommends that you use Google Sheets. Shopify recommends that you use Google Sheets to work with your CSV files. To use Google Sheets, you must import the CSV file into the program. After you've made your changes, export the CSV file to your computer, and so on and so on. This is the problem right here. So if you're a new Shopify entrepreneur, or you've been with Shopify for a long time and just had a moment and discovered a new glitch that you haven't experienced before, in this specific situation, dealing with CSVs, you need to use Google Sheets. This was just a formatting issue, not sourcing from my Shopify store, not sourcing from anything from Shopify's end. It was just a Excel formatting issue. And instead of going through all this step, all I had to do, and hopefully all you need to do to solve the same issue, is that you can download and import and export your CSVs using Google Sheets instead of Excel. I hope this really helps. Leave a like if this helped, because like I said, I needed to achieve one little thing with my CSVs today. And solving this error and not understanding why this error was happening made me waste so much time and caused me so much frustration that I did not need and was not expecting today. And so hopefully this quick little video will help you save all the time that I lost. If this video has helped you, leave a like so that I know I just like helping fellow entrepreneurs. And if you want to join a free community of like-minded entrepreneurs and learn from someone who's been in the industry for years and years now, running multiple Shopify stores, consider subscribing. And if you do, I will see you in the next video.